Happy Christmas, everybody. Welcome to GL Art. This is just a one-off Christmas special. Christmas special. It's a watercolour painting of a winter wonderland that I did the other night. And it's just a little bit of content there just to tie you over the Christmas period. Yeah, have a look, see what you reckon, and I'll see you guys just after. So, there it is, my little winter wonderland scene. Wouldn't look too out of place on a Christmas card, huh? I really like that, that's really, really pretty. I'm really chuffed with that one. So, if you liked it, leave a comment below. If you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe. Join the GL Army. This stuff is really itchy. Yeah. But, you know, all the other spiel that comes with it, hit the like button, bang. If you are subscribed, then tickle the notification bell. That'll tell you when I produce some new content and you will get notified of that straight away. Guys, thank you so much for joining me this year. I have had a whole year on Facebook. I have had a whole year on YouTube and I have created, I think, around 80 videos. That's not bad going. I'm quite chuffed with that. And you guys have been fantastic. You've been sharing it, you've been liking them, you've been getting in contact, and that is all I ask. Because at the end of the day, this channel is just there to help you guys get inspired and just put pen to paper, get some paints out, any kind of art like that, and just give it a go. Because as I've always said, I'm not a pro, but I'll give it a go. It's part of fun of learning and just developing your skills and having a good old try, and that is basically what this channel's about. It's about trying. So thanks again. I'll have a little bit of break over Christmas and I will produce more content in the new year, but until then, G is signing off for 2020. Let's see the back of this awful year and hope that 2021 is even better. Doesn't have to do much to be better though, does it? Take care guys, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.